Hi and welcome to second part of AlphaFeed app tutorial. First thing you have to do is to enable your program. Let's jump to Google Merchant. Here we go. Click on Manage Programs. As you can see a bunch of programs on my screen. I'm going to discuss the most important ones. What does Surface Across Google means for marketer and brand? Simply, it's a free Google shopping listing on search results. Hundreds of millions of people do shopping related searches on Google each day. By participating in free product listing, your product offer may be eligible to show across different Google services like Shopping tab, Google Search, Google Image, Google Map, and Google Lens. You can enable it by clicking Get Started, although I already made it. Once you click it into the new window will appear which will ask you your product and business information and other view policies to agree upon to activate the program, and once you agree to the conditions and activate the program, the status will be shown as active over here. Shopping ad, which is very important when it comes to show your ad on Google shopping results. Shopping ad program is available for almost all the countries. It must be enabled when you want to show your ads on Google. In this you will get to set up prior parameter to activate programs like text, website, product feed, Google ad account linking, etc. Google will take 3 days to detect the settings that are done. You will see a continuous status till then. Once you are approved for all the parameters, then you will be able to see active status here. Now move to dynamic remarketing. You will have to enable this program when you want to retarget your website visitor who made some important action on your store like have viewed the product page or have added product to the cart. You can retarget those visitors by running dynamic remarketing campaign. Dynamic remarketing or display ad is important if you wish to run smart shopping campaign in your Google ad account. Merchant will not have to enable this program if they are selling adult oriented products, as such products are not allowed for display ads, so merchants selling these kind of products can leave it disabled.